In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages from PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to share just one page from a long document or isolate a specific section for review, extracting pages is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect as you go. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This feature is designed for Acrobat, and in many cases you'll get the best experience with the full version. Once Acrobat is open, you'll be ready to bring in the file you want to work with. Next, open the PDF you want to extract from. You can select it from your recent files or browse to it and click to open. Make sure you're working with the correct document before you continue, especially if you have multiple versions saved. At the top of the window, click on Edit. This reveals editing-related options and tools for working with your document. Even though different versions of Acrobat may organize tools slightly differently, you'll find the extraction option associated with page management under the editing tools. Now choose Extract Page. This tells Acrobat you want to pull one or more pages out of the current PDF as a separate item. When you select it, Acrobat will present options for which pages to extract and how to handle the original file. Enter the page number you want to extract. If you're targeting a single page, type that exact number. It helps to double-check the thumbnail panel on the left if visible to confirm you're using the page number as Acrobat sees it. Remember that sometimes PDFs have cover pages or Roman numerals that can shift numbering, so taking a quick glance avoids surprises. If you see fields for a range, just focus on the single page you need and enter that number in the appropriate box. When you're ready, click OK. Acrobat will process your selection and extract the specified page. Typically, you'll see the extracted content open as a separate document or appear as a new item you can work with independently. The original PDF remains unchanged unless you choose otherwise in the options, so you don't have to worry about losing content. From here, you can proceed with whatever you plan to do with the extracted page, such as reviewing, sharing, or archiving it. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, open your PDF, go to Edit, select Extract Page, enter the page number, and confirm with OK. With these simple actions, you can quickly isolate exactly